Nyhavn is a must-see when you're in Copenhagen. Follow me as I walk you through the harbor. We are down here in Nyhavn, which is the old harbor here in Copenhagen. And actually it's still a harbor, there's just the big ships can't get in here, so they stopped using it as the main harbor a really long time ago. It is probably the most touristy place that we have seen here, so expect there to be huge crowds. Expect not to be able to get a seat at a restaurant, but it is pretty. It's worth coming down and seeing it while you're here in Copenhagen. Nyhavn was a 17th century waterfront in Copenhagen and is now a tourist attraction and home to brightly covered 17th and 18th century townhouses and restaurants. The canal is also home to many historical wooden ships. We were looking for a good dinner, but because Nyhavn was so packed, we ended up walking over the river where there was a nice food court where we got some delicious fish and chips. We did find a few seats at Nyhavn when we got back, but at that point we were full and we just wanted a drink, and they wouldn't seat us unless we committed to dinner. There are a few really important buildings you should see at Nyhavn. If you are of Danish heritage like I am, this building is where people registered to travel to the United States. This building used to be the White Star Line's office. The White Star Line was the owner of the Titanic. If you look closely, you can still see some of their writing on the windows. This building is apparently the most haunted building in all of Nyhavn. Nyhavn is a must-see next time you're in Copenhagen. Although I wouldn't plan to spend too much time there because it's such a tourist attraction, it's definitely something you have to do while you're in town.